Do you want to buy an SUV in 2025 that is within your budget but is not inferior in features and performance? Today, I will tell you about the 5 best SUVs in USA that are available for less than $30,000 and are making a splash in 2025. Hello friends, I am from Car Scene USA, and here we bring you the latest and best information related to cars. If you are a car lover, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Toyota RAV4 2025. Do you want an SUV that is reliable and won't give you trouble for years? Then meet the Toyota RAV4 2025. Price? Starting from $28,500. Mileage? 28 mpg city/35 mpg highway. Features: hybrid option, advanced safety, spacious interior. Special: excellent resale value and low maintenance cost. Why buy? If you are looking for an SUV for both daily commute and family trips, then this should be your first choice. Is the RAV4 perfect for you? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more car updates. Number 2. Honda CR-V 2025. Comfort, space, and reliability. Want all three? Then definitely check out the Honda CR-V 2025. Price? $29,000. Mileage? 29 mpg city/34 mpg highway. Features: spacious cabin, smooth ride, advanced Honda sensing safety. Special: long-term reliability plus resale value strong. Why buy? If your priority is comfort and family-friendly design, then the CR-V is the best. Number 3. Kia Sportage 2025. Want a modern look and the latest tech features at an affordable price? The Kia Sportage 2025 is for you. Price: $27,500. Mileage: 26 mpg city/32 mpg highway. Features: touchscreen infotainment, stylish design, driver assist tech. Special: warranty plus affordable price. If you are a tech lover and want a stylish SUV, the Sportage is perfect. Is the Sportage your dream SUV? Comment below and join the family of car lovers. Number 4. Hyundai Tucson 2025. Want a long warranty and great looks? Hyundai Tucson 2025 is waiting for you. Price: $27,000. Mileage: 26 mpg city/33 mpg highway. Features: bold design, spacious interior, smart safety features. Special: 10-year warranty, peace of mind guaranteed. Why buy? If you are planning for long-term ownership, then Tucson is the best deal. Hyundai Tucson or Kia Sportage, what is your choice? Comment and subscribe. Number 5. Mazda CX-5. If you want driving fun, there is nothing better than Mazda CX-5 2025. Price: $28,000. Mileage: 25 mpg city and 31 mpg highway. Features: sporty handling, premium interior, responsive engine. Special: luxury feel in affordable budget. Why buy? If you don't want any compromise in performance and style, then this SUV is for you. CX-5 lovers, write your name in the comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for the watch.